back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get all the latest information for your favorite gadgets. And today we are going to discuss about a gadget which is quite interesting. That is Lenovo's Yoga 500 out here. A very interesting gadget, a very interesting model out here with a great screen size, as well as it has got a 360-degree flip fold design, offering you a great flexibility, offering you a great functionalities. We can say that this gadget definitely owns a very good response, as well as this gadget offers great range of we can say uh, uniqueness, or we can say evolution out there. Yoga series की बात करें, if we talk about the yoga series only, then they all were actually in a 360 manner, but this variant is absolutely 360-degree designed with flip and fold design out here, offering you a impressive stereo sound system. Yes, you get to see a stereo sound system, amazing stereo sound system, as well as you get to see that it has got an ultra fast connecting speed. Like connectivity की बात करें, if you talk about the word connectivity, then it has got an ultra fast connecting speed option out here with impressive performance for work and play. What does this mean? This clearly means that the output or the processing used in it is quite good. That you will find an excellent work out here. The output is really good out there. As well as if we talk about the visualizations, the graphical part used in it, that is also very amazing out there. Apart from that, the design for the peace of mind is quite good. Like, what does this mean? This clearly means that you find that this variant is really good with the uh, we can say specifiedly, if you will not find that it's very heavy output, or very congested, or very difficult to understand, or very heavy out. These kind of things will not be seen on in this variant. As well as the if we talk about the specification, if we talk about the variant out here, then you will find that it has got a specified uh, range of processors, RAM out there, which provides you a great range of connectivity as well as a great range of productions out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a sixth generation Intel Core processor, either i5 or i7, well, depending upon which variant you would like to use. It provides you Intel sixth generation i5 or i7 out here processor. And both the processors have different speed. i5 provides you 2.8 gigahertz speed, whereas i7 provides you 3.1 gigahertz speed. So they are really good, offering you Windows 10 operating system of 64 bytes computerization. This is really a good variant out here, offering you great specification, great range of connectivity. Along with that, since it is a flip and fold design, so it has got a hinge point. Yes, the hinge point from where you can easily fold it. You can make it a tab. You can make it a some other kind of a version. These can be possible out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it provides you a G sensor and a graphical part, which is quite good. Since we have talked about the visualizations, we have talked about how good that variant is, how good that version looks like. It provides you a great graphical part, which is nothing else but Intel HD Graphics 520 in process. Yes. Uh, we know that graphics plays a very important role in every gadget, and when we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that if you have a yoga series, then you expect a very advanced graphical part, offering you Intel HD graphics. It offers you great graphication out there, so visualization is good, audio quality is good out here. Apart from that, if we talk about the memory of this variant, then we can see that it offers you 4 GB PC3 out there, which is in the form of DDR3L. So what does this mean? This clearly means that the RAM type, if you offer, the RAM type if this offering is DDR3L. The RAM type is DDR3L. We have seen DDR3, we have seen DDR2 out there. So this is DDR3L. Whereas you also get to see that it has got a rotational speed or the memory speed of about 1600 megahertz. 1600 megahertz is quite good variant. We have seen in most of the gadgets out there. As well as this offers you a different functional RAM out there, which is PC312800. As well as the 4 GB RAM is quite good. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you integrated webcam, because graphical part is incomplete without a webcam out there, offering you two different type of webcams. It could be offered, yes, it can either have 0.3 megapixel or 1 megapixel HD camera out there. Yes, there are two different variants. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about Yoga 500 out here, then we can say that it has got a storage, that is the internal hard drive storage out there of 1 TB. Yes, 1 TB is the internal storage out there. Along with that, you also get to see 5400 RMP, that is the rotation per minute out there. That is the spindle rotation out there, or the hard drive rotation out there. These kind of rotations, if we talk, the speed if we talk, then that is 5400 RPM. Talking about this RPM, then we can say that this RPM is quite good, along with a 2.5-inch wide and 7 high hard drive. The hard drive size, if we talk about the hard drive speed, if we talk about the hard drive, then it has about 2.5 inches width as well as 7 height. So this is quite good. And what type of hard drive do you see? Like the storage is of SSD type, HDD type. So it has a storage type of HHD out here. Yes, it has a storage of HHD type, offering you no optical drive, that is the read drive out there, DVD drive out there. So this could not be seen out here. With the advancement of time, we have seen that drives are not a part of most of the gadgets. Since no optical drive is being offered, we already know that, and we can say that these kind of things are very common in today's gadgets out there. As well as if we talk about the battery and the weight out there, then this variant offers you two cell battery, offering you 1.8 kg weight out there. As well as the battery is of 30 volts, and it might last up to 4.5 to 7 hours, yes, depending upon the battery life being used. It might use two cell battery or three cell battery depending upon the variant. As well as this variant is having a great optimization keyboard out there, touchpad, as well as no security chip system, along with various other specifications. Along with that, you might find USB 2 type port out there, USB 3 type port, along with audio input and output jack, power jack out there, security keyhole. So these kind of specification might also be seen in this variant. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, then pricing is really important. Talking about pricing, let us visit this site, that is justatclick.com. Yes, the site name is justatclick.com, which offers you great pricing for your gadgets, amazing prices. As well as this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets out in a very limited form. Like we can check out our favorite gadgets in a very limited manner out there. So this is the result out here, offering you Lenovo 500 out there. It has got 1 TB storage, which we were talking about, 4 GB RAM, SSD, with a bag out there. Along with that, you get to see that there is a small description box, as well as you also get to see that it has a condition written at the top, that is refurbished. Along with that, this site offers you customization. Yes, customization is also possible at this site, which is for your gadgets. Your gadgets can customize according to your variability. So let us talk about this refurbished category also, so that we know about refurbished products. Talking about the refurbished products or refurbished brand out here, we can say that refurbished and brand new products, they are quite similar. As well as when we talk about the refurbished word itself, then we can say that refurbished word means creating something newly like again. So this is what all refurbished means. And when we say about refurbished or brand new, then the structurality, functionalities, as well as the tests are actually same out here. You will not find any difference out there in the structural, that is the design out here. As well as talking about these variants, then we can say the internal functions are actually same. They are quite same, like whatever the company has stated, they are actually providing you the same things. The major difference lies out in the ownership out there. Yes, the ownership has a difference in the role play out here. Talking about the ownership, brand new gadgets are actually untouched. They are from the company itself, direct release from the company. Whereas refurbished products are the ones pre-owned gadgets. These are called the pre-owned gadgets out here. So talking about these gadgets, let us see the pathway which involves how this is pre-owned. Talking about the pathway that follows a common pathway, that is the base, mediator, and the consumer. This is the pathway followed out. And we can say that refurbished pathway is the extension of brand new. We can say that. Talking about the brand new pathway, we can say brand new involves the base, which is the company from where the product is being released in the market out here. So this is called as base. Marketplace is nothing else but the, you can say, bridge out here between the user and the consumer. Yes, this could be said out as this way. Yes, the marketplace is this, whereas the bridge is between company and user, because this has to be somewhere where we can collect and company can sell out. After that, it comes to the user. Yes, now the product is with the user out here. Now user has the power, the product in hand. So this is what refurb brand new is all about. This terminates the product out here. Now the gadget is pre-owned. The gadget or the brand or the model, everything is with the user. Now this user becomes the base for refurbished products, because that is pre-owned gadget out here. That product is with the person itself and wants to resell off. Yes, want to resell. Then it is brought back to the marketplace. It is brought back to the mediators. It is brought back in the sites out here, which it can be resold. Yes, or we can resell it. It can be resold out there. Everything could be done. मतलब उस product को हम दोबारा से market में लेकर आते हैं. Now it is brought in the market and is being resold to the new user under the category of refurbished. Yes, this is a new category called refurbished, and this is what refurbished is all about. Now another difference lies out here is the testing parameter, testing, we can say timing. Now what happens is a company, before bringing into the marketplace, tests it. Yes, it is being tested out here. The product is being verified. Everything is being done. Now what happens is, uh, in refurbished products, the product is being tested in the website or the marketplace itself before reselling it. Yes, before it is brought for reselling, it is to be tested in the marketplace. So this is the major difference out here. Now talking about the tests out there, then we can say that there are the same tests which are involved in brand new, whether it is external or internal parameters involving. Like the external involves the display out here, the camera, the buttons out there, the touchpad, the connectors out there, the scratches, everything has to be seen. The display type out there, recording out there, everything has to be checked. Now, externally, जो हम check कर सकते हैं without the use of any equipment or any specified gadget, it has to be checked. Once it is checked out, then it is brought back to the internal parameters. Yes, now external is cleared out. It is given a certificate for external parameters. It is brought to the internal parameters, which are checked out. And once it is checked out, then you get to see that external parameters के मतलब internals में आते हैं. There are various internal components out there, like the processing system, GPU, CPU out there, cache memory, RAM, storage type out there, connectivity, battery life, battery backup out there, internal processing, spindle fibers out, spindle rotation out there, uh, rotational speed, the speed out for the RAM out there. Everything has to be checked. Internal connectivities, internal parameters has to be checked. Now, these internal parameters require a specified, we can say, gadget or specified testing tools, softwares out there. So they are used in these parameters. Once they have been tested, they are brought back to the site with a certification called refurbished or brand certified refurbished. These brand new products are only refurbished products, yes. So we can clearly say that once or always a refurbished product is once a brand new. Yes, once a brand new product can be considered as a refurbished after pre-ownization. So this is what happens out. Now talking about these testers, structure is same, design is same, everything is same out there. So what are the benefits or why it is there? Why the two different categories? Talking about these categories, then refurbished products offer you a great benefits out here over brand new. Number one is the rates. Yes, profitable rates. Usually, what happens that brand new products are quite expensive out there. They are slightly expensive, we can say, once they're released. Whereas the refurbished products are less expensive, we can say, or they are quite pocketable. We can say that they are quite pocketable rates. They are not very expensive out here, so that we need to spend a lot of money on them. They are slightly less expensive. Now, since their ratings differ, their pricing differ, you get to save a lot of money. Yes, you can save a lot of money out here. So this is the another point that you get to save a great savings. Apart from that, we already know that brand new products offers you a 1 year warranty period. Yes, you get to have a warranty period, but once a pre-owned phone is brought by us, then we usually don't get warranty period. But if you have a condition written on it that is refurbished or certified refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Yes, this is what you get to have, 6 months warranty period along with 7 day exchange policy. 7 days exchange policy, that is a week exchange policy also you get to have. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new product. And talking about these benefits, let us see this site offers you same benefits or not. Yes, the site named justatclick.com offers you great benefits, great gadgets, a pocketable friendly rates. We can say pocket friendly rates are there. Delivery time is quite good. COD is available out here. Yes, justatclick.com offers you COD. You get to have hassle-free shopping, free shipping out there, as well as shipping timing is also great out here. It offers you 48-hour shipping timing in most parts of UAE, whereas Saudi it might take up to a week, and it might differ upon the timing and the process out there. As well as this site offers you something very amazing, that it offers you customization option also. Yes, what does this customization means? That every gadget has got a different structurality, different internal components. There might be difference in the we can say RAM storage or the normal storage capacity, the Intel processing out there. So there are differences in there. So you can customize your gadget according to your requirement. All that you can do with the helpline number. And if you want to customize also, you can let us know by your order placement. So this site's link has been given in the description, so you can check it out. As well as I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.